bundles that I made. They consist of one heart from the heart pick so just one. So a couple of the picks are going to have two smaller hearts in it, but there was enough. There's the smaller hearts. There was enough on one pick to make 7 of these little bundles. Okay, so we're using the heart pick. I had to use 2. This is going to be because I need 7 of these bundles. I needed 2 of these. Sorry. But I only need 2 more pieces out of here. So what I've done with these is there's so much on here, you can rip them apart because they're only paper taped together, and you can use, we're going to use pieces of them. So you can see they tear apart quite easy. So I'm just kind of separating. There's the flower, there's some long greenery, then we got another long greenery, some foam leaves, some of these spiky things, and this mossy kind of green looking thing. There's all kinds of goodness in this one pick. Like I said, I'm just kind of separating them and making my own little picks. Okay, so that's separated. And now I'm going to pull apart the hearts. Again, they just kind of rip off the main stem, the main wire. We're going to incorporate the hearts into our pick. And then we're going to put some of this fun pink, it's called fish line glitter spray. It's the one I showed at the beginning. I'm only using one, and again, I pulled it apart as well. Okay. And that is everything I've incorporated into these little homemade picky things. So we're going to grab a couple zip ties. I'm going to grab one of these green, actually 2 of them, since there's 2. A flower stem, a berry, one of these spiky things, one of these foam green leaves. Actually 2 of them, I have 2 pulled out. We're going to put one of our glitter hearts in here. So you can put it in the front, in the back, and we're going to zip tie everything together. Put some of this little bit of pink, that fish line stuff. And there we go, made myself a homemade. Actually, no, the only thing that's really, I see of glitter is the red glitter, and that is probably from this ribbon. So this is not a shimmer glitter ribbon, it's a normal glitter. Shimmer glitter, we do have lots of shimmer glitter, but shimmer glitter doesn't fall off. Okay, so I really don't see any pink, so that's on there. Actually, that's on there really well. So there's all different colors. Okay, so I have this, and I'm just going to put a zip tie around the whole thing, and I made myself my own little homemade pick. So it's definitely, you get more bang for your buck doing this by just ripping things apart and just add them in. Okay, I'm going to cut that, and then I'm going to trim off just below the zip tie that I just put on. I'm going to trim off all this excess wiring. Isn't that pretty? So once we put it into our zip tie, we can then pull all these apart and spread it out into our wreath.